LEDFUL, a trusted LED display solutions provider, empowering visual excellence worldwide. Founded in 2015 in Shenzhen, China, LEDFUL focuses on R&D, manufacturing, and global sales, powering over 11,000 projects across 116 countries. As a leading brand, LEDFUL has proudly illuminated world-class events: World Cup, Olympic, WTT, LOL Final, WorldSBK, Africa Cup, World Guinness Record. Every LEDFUL display meets the highest international standards. Behind every screen stands a team of dedicated engineers, ensuring precision, quality, installation, and caring after-sales service. Our experienced sales representatives are dedicated to professionalism, high efficiency, and a caring approach, always listening to you and thinking ahead for you. In addition, we pay meticulous attention to every detail of your requirements. In our premium showroom, explore the future of LED innovation, from VR and XR to 3D and COB technology. Our advanced SMT production line includes 10 LED and 8 IC lines. LED screen production capacity is 6,000 square meters per month. GOB production line capacity is 25,000 modules. Every screen undergoes rigorous aging for 72 hours to ensure optimal performance. Each module undergoes 16 standard operating procedures and 23 quality assurance checks across 1,500 tests. LEDFUL's displays are at the forefront of a rapidly evolving LED display market, which is experiencing significant growth and diversification across various applications such as commercial display, sports, data visualization, rental and staging, virtual production, retail, DOOH, and consumption. LEDFUL focuses on outdoor, indoor, rental, poster, transparent, floor, perimeter, creative, mechanical, and interactive displays. We warmly welcome you to visit LEDFUL, where innovation meets excellence. Our vision is simple: make the world colorful.